Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to add the ICE network to OKX wallet. It's easy to get this done. Open up your ICE application. Once you've opened up the ICE app, all you need to do is, once you've made sure your account has been verified, scroll down and select the BNB Smart Chain address. And where we have the BNB Smart Chain address, make sure you've entered the BNB Smart Chain address. If you've not entered the BNB Smart Chain address, minimize and open up your OKX application. Once the OKX application has been opened up, make sure you have an account on OKX. If you do not have an account on OKX, by using our link in the description of the video, you stand a chance to claim 10,000 USDT worth of welcome gifts and bonuses when you register and verify your account. So guys, you're on the OKX platform. How do you add the ICE network to OKX? All you need to do is simply select the wallet icon or click on the wallet here. Once you've selected the wallet, you're taken to your Web3 wallet where you can easily create an account here. Once you've created an account with the wallet, once you've created a Web3 wallet, all you need to do is simply scroll down and copy your Ethereum address. As you can see here, once you click on the Ethereum address, you can find your Ethereum address. And once you've copied it, you'd find that your Ethereum address is the same as your BNB address. They're basically the same thing. So all you need to do now is just minimize and open up your ICE app, paste the address you had copied from the OKX wallet. Once you've pasted this address here, click on confirm address, and once you select confirm a BNB Smart Chain address, you have successfully added your OKX address to the ICE app. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can go about any of this and if you're given an answer. Thank you.